Today we are at Snoqualmie Falls and I am sitting by Snoqualmie River right now. Watch till end. It's going to be a very beautiful experience. Welcome guys to our channel. Hope you all are doing good. We come to explore a Pacific Northwest forest for a short hike, located at Snoqualmie town of Washington State, 24 miles from Seattle Airport and 29 miles from Seattle. Not far out of Seattle, there is so much to see. Tell me in comment that have you already been here or planning to go. For Snoqualmie Falls, you will get 3 parking lots, 2 for upper park and 1 for lower park. Upper parking lots are free. Large parking lots on the right, just past the walking bridge. Small parking lot, which is closest to the falls, is on the left, just past the walking bridge. The distance between the free parking lots and the viewing platform is approximately 200 feet and is wheelchair accessible through this short covered wooden bridge. Becomes slippery while it gets wet for rain or snow. It is also a beautiful and well-known wedding location. If you park in lower parking lot, it will be easy to reach the river and lower falls viewpoint. Or from upper park, half-mile hiking down trail with quite a steep hike back with 450 feet elevation gain. Is well maintained but natural, not paved. The park remains open from dawn to dusk. Lights illuminate the waterfalls in the evening. This over 260 feet high waterfalls has a beautiful viewing deck that gives you the most stunning view of the Snoqualmie Falls. This falls is really gorgeous in this time of the year when everything is melting. Otherwise, this picture is from summertime, not that gorgeous. Today we are in half-mile Snoqualmie Falls Trail. This is really short and beautiful trail. This is actually one of the most popular attractions in Seattle. In the lower park, we discovered the powerhouse plant originally constructed in 1910 to meet the growing demand for electricity in Puget Sound region. Today, this plant continues to produce electricity operating with state-of-the-art turbines and generators. Following the boardwalk alongside the rushing Snoqualmie Falls, we reach to the lower falls viewpoint. Another gorgeous view of the Snoqualmie Falls. Some 10,000 years ago, the first people entered the Snoqualmie Valley just after the Ice Age. By the time, it has become so important to celebrate the history and the heritage of these falls. We are going to Snoqualmie River access. That's a little beach beside the river.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Thanks for watching. Keep watching, keep loving. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. And like the video to support me. Comments below and share with your friends and family. See you next time. Bye.